Hello everyone, Jude here from Tech Office Software. In our tutorial today, we shall be looking into Microsoft Excel conditional formatting. Conditional formatting gives you access to quickly evaluate your data in Excel. From the spreadsheet data that is before you now, I have the names of my students, the subject, the route, the exams. So with the Excel conditional formatting, I'll be evaluating their scores. The first thing I'm going to do is to highlight the column we want to use conditional formatting to evaluate. So I highlight from F2 to F26. These are the scores for each student on mathematics. From the Home tab, we come to conditional formatting, then we select highlight cell rules. So we start from the first at the top, which is greater than. We pick greater than. Based on the number we put in this space, this function is going to format the cell that are greater than the number we put. I pick 70. I change the color, then I press OK. As you can see, all the cells that are greater than 70, they are being highlighted with green. We highlight it again. We come to conditional formatting, select highlight cells rule, then we select less than. Less than 65, we select OK. Those that are less than 65 are now in red. We highlight the cells again, conditional formatting, we select highlight cells rules, we select in between. Those that are in between 61 to 74, we choose yellow and then we take OK. It has highlighted those that are in between 61 and 74 with yellow. So we come to the ages of the student. We highlight the cells that contain the ages. We come to conditional formatting and we select highlight cell rules. To know the students that are 15 years, we select equals 15 and then we press OK. From here we have seen the students that are 15 years that wrote this exam, their number. Then from here we know the scores those that are 15 years had. So far we have seen that the students that have their score in between 75 to 100, they have the green color, 60 and below the red color, 61 to 74 we have yellow. Then under their ages we know those that wrote these exams that are up to 15 years of age. Another thing we can do is to check if there are some students that their names appear more than once in this score sheet. To do this, we highlight the cells that have the name of the students. After we have highlighted it, we come to conditional formatting. We select highlight cells rules, say duplicate value. This will select names that are more than one within the cells. So we have seen that we have Benjamin more than once and all the rest of them that are more than once. We select OK. We right click to delete the rules. We have removed Benjamin. Then we have removed Thomas. It's remaining Patricia. Then we have removed Patricia. If you look, you will notice that there is no highlighting again. This is because no names now that are duplicated. That means no one that meets the duplicate condition. Another thing we can do with conditional formatting is we highlight the names. We come to conditional formatting. We select highlight cells rule. Let's say we are looking for Daniel and we don't even know if Daniel wrote this exam. So we want to select any name that contains Daniel. So we select format cell that contain text. Then we choose Daniel. We select the color. That means Christopher Daniel wrote the exam. He's 11 years and he has 65% in mathematics. So we come to conditional formatting. We select highlight cells rules. We come to date. Then we want to select from here. We select in the last 7 days how many exams we have written. You can see that on September 3rd there was an exam. So let's come to the next subject, which is biology. We highlight, then we'll come to conditional formatting. We are going to use top bottom rules. So let's say we choose top 10. These are the top 10, but let's say we change it to top 5. Then we'll choose the top 5 to have green color. We press OK. So these are the top 5, those that make the top 5 list. We have highlighted the cells again. We come to conditional formatting. We are looking for those that make bottom 10. So we come to top bottom rules. We select bottom 10. We choose the color red. Then we press OK. The last 10 scores. So we come to the next subject, which is chemistry. We highlight the cells. We come to conditional formatting. From here, we select top bottom rules. We select above average. We select OK. We now know that these are the people that have above average. They are highlighted with red. So let's say we highlight the cells again. When you look under here, you see that average is 76.4. The counts are 20 and the sum is 1910. We have highlighted the cells. We come to conditional formatting. We select top bottom rules. Then we select below average. We change the colors to yellow and then we press OK. These have selected those that have below average. The average is 76.4. So anyone that have less than that is below average. We highlight the last subject, which is geography. We come to conditional formatting. We select top bottom rules. We select top 10%. We may decide to increase it to 20%. Then we'll press OK. So we have seen that the top is just the 5 of them. They are the top 20%. Then as they are highlighted, we come to conditional formatting again. We select top bottom rules. We select the bottom 10%. We choose the color green. Then we press OK. So let's say after you have done all this and you did not remember the rules that you use, you highlight the cells. Then you come to conditional format. Manage rules. You can see that these are the rules we use, and if you want to see all the rules you use, you come to this place, say current selection, tap on the drop down arrow, select this worksheet, and it will show you all the rules you use in this spreadsheet. Then you can close. Let's say we want to remove all this formatting from the cells. We tap Ctrl A to highlight the whole cells. We come to conditional formatting. We select clear rules from selected cells. Press OK. And we have returned to normal. And if we want to come back, we use undo. We have returned back to the conditional formattings that we use. Remember, we cleared it off. And if we don't want it again, we come to redo and it will clear it off again. So let's say we want to create charts out of these subjects. We highlight the range we want to create the charts from. We'll come to conditional formatting. We select data bars. From here we can select the type of chart we want. So I will use red for the first one. Then the second one, I highlight it. I come to conditional formatting. I select data bars. From the solid field, I choose green. We come to chemistry, we highlight conditional formatting. From data bars, we select blue. You can see that we have gotten the chart based on the scores of the students in all the subjects. So you have seen what you can use conditional formatting to do. Thank you for watching this short tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done so already. Click the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you once I drop a new video. See you in the next video.